Hi, this video is designed to introduce you to Session 4, and really what's cool about Session 4 is if you take it to heart, this session is all about your favorite subject ever, or the most important subject ever, and that subject is you. It's about your learning styles and your learning preferences and where your strengths are and where your weaknesses might be. So to introduce this session, I want you to do an activity with me, if you will. I'll do it along with you. Please get a writing implement of any kind, pencil, pen, crayon, anything. Get that, and any old piece of paper, teeny tiny, big, whatever. Get a piece of paper. Very good. I'll give you 5 seconds. Fantastic. All right, so take your mighty pen or pencil, crayon, and write your name. That's all I need you to do. Just go ahead. You can do cursive, print, first name. I'm going to do my first name. See? Yay. Now what is she up to? Now I want you to take your pen and I want you to switch hands. Right? So now you're writing with your non-dominant hand. For me, I'm not a lefty, so this is my left hand. And I want you to do the same thing. Go ahead and write your name. Okay. Time for the quiz. Which one do you think I did with my right hand, my regular hand? Was it this one? Or was it, I'm going to get this in the webcam, or was it this one? I can't even hold it upright. There we go. If you guess this was my dominant regular hand, you are correct. Look at your own. What's the difference between the two? What made it different? Was it easier to write with your regular dominant hand? Probably, right? Did it take less time? More convenient? Exactly. It's not, though, that you couldn't write your name with your other hand. Am I right? It's just that it took longer. It wasn't as fun. It wasn't as convenient. You had to think about it. It took more effort. And that's exactly what we mean by learning preferences. One learning preference is not better than another. It's just something comes more naturally to you, and if it's delivered in a way that isn't in your normal natural learning style, you might have to either figure out a way to put it in your learning style or work a little harder. And so, for instance, we're going to be taking a look at, and here's where I'm going to do my intro. I'm going to move my head, and we're looking at Session 4. And we're looking at taking overview item VARK Learning Styles Introduction. It's the first video you're going to take a look at. And VARK stands for visual. So you like to look at pictures. You can get with graphs. You like a whiteboard. Oral. You like to listen to something like this, me babble on and all that good stuff. You like that lecture. You like to talk. You learn better if you tell someone else. Read, write. That's the R. And that would be great for an online because look at all the text that we have. And finally, kinesthetic. You got to do it. And maybe that's what makes online challenging for you because you have to get up and do and interact with it. So that's VARK, and I want you to obviously look at other things, multiple intelligence assessment. Sometimes we respond more when we're in nature, or we respond more when there's music, because we're musically minded. There's different things, so take a look at your multiple intelligences, and even the Myers-Briggs assessment, and that's an abridged assessment, and you're going to learn all about yourself. Remember, great topic to learn about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? And how do you overcome your challenges? And then finally, there's an audio file, and you can hear a recap of the topic in this session. When we get to session activities, you're going to take an actual VARK learning style assessment, and you're going to reflect on that. It's going to give you what your prominent or predominant learning preference is, and you're going to participate in a forum and let us know about what you've learned about yourself, and you're going to take a wrap-up quiz. Now, in this session, we have a major assessment. It's Core Assessment 3, Study Skills. We're learning about our learning styles, how we learn, in order to apply it to learning something, right? Think about a time where you enjoyed learning anything. It was just fun. And what were the ingredients that went into it? And apply that to anything that you might have to study. So you're going to actually complete Core Assessment 3, which is a major part of your grade. In addition to all the activities, you're going to complete Core Assessment 3 that has to do with your learning style, and that's this assignment here. And you will have to complete it, save it as your own, and upload it to Moodle. And so you're going to be doing some research and applying what you've learned about your learning style in this session 4. And that completes this video. I hope you have a great time in session 4, and I'll see you later.